Clashes on the streets of the Romanian capital as riot police struggle to control a massive anti-corruption demonstration. More than 130,000 protesters gathered outside the cabinet building in Bucharest on February 1st. They were outraged by an emergency government decree that would effectively grant amnesty to dozens of officials accused of corruption.
Este un abuz fără precedent din partea guvernului, o lovitură împotriva democrației, o lovitură împotriva direcției în care se ducea țara noastră.
Some protesters hurled firecrackers and stones. Police responded with tear gas and made several arrests. The controversial decree from the new Social Democrat-led government would help the party's leader, who was convicted of abuse of office. The government said the move was designed to ease prison overcrowding, an explanation mocked by some protesters.
Strângem fonduri ca să construim o pușcărie în care să aibă loc toți infractorii țării.
Similar demonstrations were held in more than 50 other towns in what local media described as the biggest wave of protests in Romania since the fall of communism in 1989. In Brussels, alarmed European Union officials warned Romania against stepping back from its fight against corruption.
Because you do it in service of your population. All Romanians deserve a country freed of corruption.
Romania's president has sided with the protesters. Klaus Iohannis said he filed a court challenge to block the emergency decree. Protesters promised to continue their demonstrations until the government repeals laws that they see as weakening the fight against corruption.